so good in here. Everybody pull up a chair. Look what's in the basket. See? Little green peas and yellow cheese, orange carrots, snowy rice, red tomato, round and nice. Chop, chop, chop and crack, crack, crack. Stir it up and don't look back. Sizzle in the frying pan. Bubble, bubble. Yes, we can. Try a bite. Try a bite. Just one little bite. Maybe yum, maybe no. Try a bite. Woo! Then you know. Now it's spaghetti. Swirl it round. Slurp, slurp, slurp. That's the sound. Toast pops up all warm and brown. Everybody sit on down. Fried egg sizzle, sunny gold. Boiled egg snowy white and cold. Soup to scoop and bread to break. Look at all the food we made. Something green and something red. Something gold and something white. Every color on your plate helps you grow up big and bright. Everybody has a chair. Everybody gets a share. Pass the bowl and pass the peas. Here you go. And thank you, please. Tell us all about your day. What you did and how you played. Food tastes better, it is true, when there's someone here with you. Try a bite. Try a bite. Ooh. Just one little bite. Maybe yum, maybe no. Try a bite. Then you know. Thunder X looks at his plate. Thunder X begins to wait. Big loud dino, brave and strong. One green tree and something's wrong.
Rom says, Rex, it's up to you.
Rom says, look, I'll try one too.
See, Birdo sings.
No rush, no fuss.
Basely waits with all of us. Woo!
The green tree goes inside. Everybody holds their breath. What will Thunder X say next?
I like it.
Thunder X shouts out.
That's what trying's all about.
The tomato.
No, thank you.
And that's okay.
That's fine to do.
Try a bite.